Hello everyone, welcome to One to Step. In today's video, we're going to see how we can blur the background of videos using Filmora. For that, let's import the video file to our project like so and add it to our timeline by clicking on this add. Now, to blur the video, we can go to Effects, search for Blur, and the square blur, find square blur, add it to our time. Now, make sure your square blur is added to the entirety of the video like so. Now all our video is blurred. What you need to do next is go to a layer above the blur layer. If there is no such layer, then you can go to this add and add video track, and it will add a layer to the blur layer. Alright, next what you need to do is import our original video once again to our timeline. For that, let's select the third layer and add drag. So while selecting this topmost layer, go to this button and click Smart Cutout. Now drag your mouse to the edge of the person or whatever object you want to be intact in the final video like so. Make sure you cover all the edge and enclose the object like so. Once you're happy with the coverage, click to Smart Cutout. It will take some time, be patient. Once it's completed, we are ready for the next step. Our cutout has been completed. Now click Save and OK. Here we have it, our video background.
The glove isn't the best
Filmora. If you want to see the video without the effect, let's hide the track. So this is our original video, and after the blur, this is our video. So cool, right? I hope you had fun watching this video. For future video updates similar to this one, do subscribe to our channel. Until next time, bye-bye.